Hey everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is another harvest. We've had a couple since this pretty big harvest. I would say this is about maybe 2.5 to 3 pints of mostly raspberries from the garden, and it's just never ending. And then the figs are now coming in. The figs will be the last fruit that we harvest from the garden before the winter. But right now we're still getting raspberries, blackberries. We have to bring the grapes in, and like I said, the figs will be the last fruit that we harvest on the homestead. And I just wanted to show you this. I'm not trying to wear you out with these videos of the fruit harvest, just showing how important having fruit trees and bushes on the homestead, because it constantly produces food with minimum work to maintain them. I mean, pretty much just pruning them. But aside from that, I'm not very good at keeping up with pruning these, and we get fruit just about every day. And you can see how big and juicy these blackberries are. So they're thicker than my thumb, actually. So I have frozen most of the raspberries and fruits in general harvested this year. Here I made raspberry compote to go over our pancakes. I then decided I wanted to try and make stuffed raspberry pancakes with the remaining pancake batter. This was totally ad hoc. So I softened some cream cheese in the toaster oven, then mixed it with the raspberry compote. Add a little bit of vanilla extract and honey, mixed together, and there's your mixture. I'm not sure if this is the best way to go about it, but I spread a thin layer of batter in the pan. I placed the lid on the pan to allow the top of the pancake batter to cook a bit so that I could add the filling. Then I placed another thin layer of the batter on top of the mixture, allowed it to cook with the lid on so that when I went to flip it, the batter didn't spill everywhere. It actually turned out good. Now, we eat pancakes maybe 2 to 3 times a month. My preferred breakfast is a more balanced meal consisting of protein and vegetables. Oh, and grits during the cold season. You want to know what's cool about all of this? We do not need to rush out to the store to buy any of this stuff when there's a threat of bad weather or storm. Nope. We make sure flashlights are in place, windows are closed, everything is locked down. But we do not rush out to the stores for bread, milk, honey, or water. That is the peace of mind you get when growing some, most, or all of your food. So just hoping to encourage you guys to get out there. It's the end of the season. Check your local nursery, check Home Depot, Lowe's, Tractor Supply. See if any of them have any fruit trees or fruit bushes on sale that they need to, get out of the stores. So go to your local store, check to see if they have any, and if they do, go ahead and purchase them and plant them. And remember, anyone that's on who have EBT cards, you can use that to buy fruits and vegetables, plants, and seeds.